everybody, welcome back to a video. Today is episode 5, I believe, of Slime Rancher. So we're going to continue on our game. And so yeah, we got the boom, I believe they're called boom slimes. And we got the water ones and like the electrical ones, I don't know. But yeah. I'm thinking about exploring more, cause like we don't know where this slime is yet, so I'm trying to figure out where that one is. So yeah. Let's get these. Oh, I got a tank booster. I would really like to tank booster. Man, I can't get it. You guys. There you go. 2 tabby. 2 of those. Alright, we can upgrade. Yeah. We don't need carrots. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the RAD. Oh no, we don't need those. I thought they're like small from up here. I was like, what? Oh god, I forgot about you guys. Oh my. What was that? Oh, I thought I just almost died. Hey, you get back over there. What's over here? Oh, there's a crate. That's... Nope, I don't need those. Oh, those are those things. What is that? Oka Oka. A triple mix of colorful spuds. Do we already have odd onion? Yeah, I think we already have odd onion. What eats the Oka Oka? Slimepedia slimes. Rad slime. Oh yeah, they eat Oka Oka. They eat the Oka Oka, so I can plant this and I'll get 2 plots. Because, yeah, they eat, what about the boom slimes? Briar hen. What is a briar hen? I don't know what that is. But, it's probably here somewhere. Resume. Ooh. Oh, there's another. Wait. Hold on, what is this? Treasure pod unlocked. What's up there? Cause look, there's like a cave up there. How do I get up there? Oh. Yeah, there's a cave up there, but first I want to see what's over here. What are you? Treasure pod lock. Oh, there's another crate. Actually, no, I want to go in the cave first and I'll get the crate. Yeah, what is in the cave? Uh-oh. It's like getting red. Oh, I'm scared. Hello? What are you? What are you? Crystals. We got a new slime, crystal slime. It's a clear, shiny, transparent rocks that these slimes are dangerous. Oh. Oh my god, there's so many. Come here. Come here, everybody. Oh my god. Why can't I pick you up? What do crystal? Oh my lord. Alright, get up here. I don't even know where this goes. Hold on. What do crystal slimes eat? Crystal slime. Oh yeah, the odd onion. Uh-oh. Ooh, that, the rock, like this one, it looks very nice. I might do that one. Oh my god. Alright, I'm going to die. I don't know where this goes, but I'm going. Oh, it just comes back where I came from. Ooh, there's another crate. Nothing. Yeah, there's another puddle one. Yeah. Let's go over here. What's up there? There's like a place. Hold on. There's a cave over there. I don't want to go over there. Yeah. Oka Oka! Oh, you just ate the odd onion! Uh-oh. No, I missed! Where'd you go? Get in there. Uh-oh, there's another skull. Oh! That guy just fell off. Ah! Oh, slime! I saved you. Any more of the, more Oka Oka? There's a cave. Uh-oh. Get. Bam! Are there any of the puddle ones in here? I don't need a stony hen. No puddles? Yeah, Oka Oka. On onion! On onion! No! Go! Where's my on onion? Oh, he ate the on onion. Yeah, that was a cave. What's in this cave? I'm a little scared. Oh, what are you? Oh, that's the big guy. Okay, can I feed you some of these? I'm keeping one of those. Yeah, what's in here? Oh. I can feed the guy the odd onion. I mean, that's the scary guy. Yeah. I did some research on the game. Oh, he's shaking. Well, can we get another key? No way. We can probably get like another key. Uh-oh. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna drown. Get up. Go, 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 go. He is shaking. I don't have time for you. Is there anything up here? Man, go away. Yeah, I'm gonna get the carrots because there's a lot more carrots. Oh no. Bro, are you seriously? Go in the water. No, I gotta like do this fast so my slimes don't die. Don't know if they can die. Ooh, is that a... You already got that. Yeah, get that. He's like shaking. I need to pop him. He's so close. How did you get in there? My poor friend. How did you get in there? I don't know. He has some... Go back up there. He has some like teleporting powers or something. Is there anything over here? Oh, there's carrots. Yeah, this should be it, because that's a lot of carrots. There's nothing over there. Let's pray this is it, because it's 5 carrots. Please be it. Yeah! Oh my god! Give me you. Oh no 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 no! Alright, I'm leaving, I'm leaving. Alright, I am scared, I am leaving, I'm getting the heck out of here. Alright, how do I get home? Oh, I think it's... I remember it like being a portal thing over here. Oh yeah, it's right down here. Got another puddle slime. Guys can have another friend. gonna remove crop and add the aka or the whatever it's called. Oh, that's so weird. Oh no. What if I get rid of the other slime? So I'm gonna remove crop. I'm gonna put the odd onion here. So the aka go there. And the odd onion can go here. Just because I think we're gonna get rid of these things right here. These guys we're gonna get rid of. I just think it's just gonna be better. Yeah, so we're gonna get rid of those. You guys eat up. Do I have any poop here? Poop? Oh, that's so much poop. Uh-oh. Give me you, and give me you, and over here, I need you. Thank you. You, I'm getting rid of. Sorry, people, but I'm getting rid of you. So I think the boom plots make the most money. 87 for the crystal? Bro, that is so much money. So I'm gonna get rid of you guys. Adios, amigos. Bam. I wish you could pick up these guys, but you cannot. Bam. Goodbye. Can I just throw them up here? You get back here. They're gone. I got a feeling that I might have to put an air net on this. I might jump out. Explosive. I got 4 crystal plot. Yeah, that's like almost like $100. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Just gonna upgrade. Bam. Now they're all watering. I'm gonna put high walls. Actually, what's this over here? Can I add another area in here? Are you kidding me? How much is it? Oh, we can get it if we sell this plot. Let's go. Yeah, and I think we can buy it now. We just bought it. What's in here? We got more stand things here. More stand things. We got so many. What's in here? Nothing. Can't even go in there. Oh, there's another cave? What's in here? What is that? No! What is up here? Oh my god, I almost just fell. Oh my god. No! No! Not my morning. Oh, you're back? Oh my god, I was so scared. I thought I was dead. I thought the series was over. I'm not reading that. I'm too bored. I thought the series was gonna be over after. I was like, no! But nope, it's still good, and that is good. Oh my god, I get so much food now. Eat up, everybody. Don't be shy. Look at all this food! Eat up! Everybody eat! Everybody eat! Let's have you chomp down on some of these. Uh-oh. Look at that. Ba 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 ba. Ba ba. Oh my god, I got so much plots. I'm rich. I'm rich. I got so much money. Yeah, I think we're going to buy some of these budgets. Oh my, why do I keep running into things? What if I make a RAD? I'll make like RAD of these. Oh, that looks so sick. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. A quick new buck. Earn 500,000 new bucks in a single day. Uh-oh. I actually just clicked that up. Yeah, 500 bucks a day. Oh, that is so much. Yeah, I think we're gonna. Oh, actually, let's buy this first, and I think we're gonna wrap up today's video. So thank you guys for watching today's video. We got a lot today. We got these crystal slimes, so that's nice. So thank you for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.